Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Peloton or just curious about the latest in fitness tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down what is the Peloton Strive Score, specifically for 2025. This is Peloton's innovative new feature designed to supercharge your workouts and help you track your progress like never before. So, what exactly is the Strive Score? At its core, it's a comprehensive metric that evaluates your overall fitness performance based on a variety of factors. Peloton introduced this in 2025 as part of their updated app to give users a more personalized experience. It's not just about how far you ride or how fast you run. The Strive Score takes into account your heart rate variability, effort levels, consistency across workouts, and even recovery data from your Peloton device. How does it work? When you hop on your Peloton bike, treadmill, or row, the app collects real-time data and crunches the numbers to generate your score on a scale of 1 to 100. For example, if you're pushing hard during a high-intensity interval training session, your score might spike based on your sustained effort and heart rate zones. The beauty of it is that it's adaptive, meaning it learns from your past sessions to set realistic goals and benchmarks. Why should you care? The Strive Score isn't just a number, it's a motivational tool. It helps you see improvements over time, compare your performance safely with friends or the community, and even unlock personalized workout recommendations. Plus, with Peloton's 2025 updates, you can integrate it with other health apps for a holistic view of your fitness journey. If you're already a Peloton member, head to the app and check out the Strive Score tab. It's easy to access and start using right away. Not a member yet? This might just be the feature that convinces you to join. Remember, the key to any fitness goal is consistency, and the Strive Score makes tracking that fun and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and fitness tips. See you in the next video.